In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Hugging Face API key. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to huggingface.co, and then on the website, you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. You can do this at the top right of your screen. Once you've signed in, click on your profile icon, top right, and then at the bottom over here, just below settings, it says access tokens. Click on access tokens. And in here, as you can see, it says you have no access tokens and you have to create a new one, and you want to click on create new token. And once you've done this, you can select the token type. So it can be either fine-grained, it can be read or write. Okay, so this cannot be changed after your token creation. So here, if you want the right one, basically you just have to put in the token name and you can just create the token. If you want the read one, you can basically just put in the name and again create it. So as you can see over here is the description of what both of those are. And then the fine-grained is going to be basically this one where you can set your user permissions and the repository permissions. Now here, you can give it a name, for example, test. And then you can give users different permissions for repositories, inference, webhooks, collections, billing, discussions, and posts, etc. So of course, you can do whatever you want, just click on different things and give them access that way. Now here, you can also give repositories permissions. You can basically set this or just search for repos in case you have any, and then you can give org permissions as well. And then after you are ready, you want to click on create token. And there we go, your token has been created. You can now copy it like this. However, you'll not be able to see it again after you close this with this X button. So you will basically have to write it somewhere. So you have to basically put it somewhere safe where you can save it, or you have to create a new one in case you lose it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.